This right here is the biggest tournament I've ever done. Welcome to the Elimination Race Extravaganza. Today, 45 marbles will go down the track to see if they have what it takes to become the Elimination Race superstars. So this is literally everyone who competes. Actually, no, this is not even everyone who competes. There's several more teams that have not come today, but these are all the teams. Some old comets are back, and this is how it's gonna work. All miles ways down, the bottom three of each round will be eliminated. Then when we come to 20 marbles, and then it'll be eliminated one by one, or 21, whatever one counts. So this is it ready? We're about to start. Let's see, everyone's getting ready. Everyone, one country away. Take taxi. Top three will eliminated. I could not tell you by this mess. Who is eliminated first? Oh wait, purple rockets. The Blazers will miss out of elimination. The Oceanic Steel Rollers. And yes, you get to see me put all the marbles back onto the track. Now you really wish that I had editing powers, which I do not, actually. So now you have to watch me put all these marbles back in line. Yeah, I know, it's boring as hell, I know. Unsubscribe if you hate this. Because I do. Now you know the pain I have to go through every time, so... Now you know. Now you know how it feels to put all these marbles back. And there you go. We're good now. To start. Race number 2. 3 marbles eliminated. What are the 3 marbles? So there's at the back. Who's at the back? All the cars and pool balls look like... No, pool balls have been eliminated. And oh! No, wait. 4 marbles are stuck. But I heard that pool balls... Water parks, of course, and goo limes. Wow, the goo limes I was not expecting to be eliminated. They're one of the retired teams that I, for some reason, had high expectations for, and now they're gone. Yeah. So if you're a goo limes fan, which I'm fingers crossing that you're not, because goo limes suck. Then you feel a bit grief about. Oh no, that took it too far. I'm sorry about like this. Now, race number 3. Again, everyone in the starting blocks. Another 3 marbles are eliminated. Come on, our team primary. One of the marbles not to get out of the game. Oh, Cannibals will. Oh no, it's Soapy Waters and Team Light. They are eliminated. Team Light. I am not expecting that team to be there so early. 31 teams are left, I'm pretty sure. No, 32 actually. Oh, this is so painful. Please feel sorry for me that I have to go through all this again by setting up all the marbles in their lines. Now you know, now you feel sorry for me that I have to do this over and over again. Race 4 now. Oh, someone got caught up there. I don't know who it was. Oh, there you go. Blazers around. Oh no, don't tell me the Sunshine's around too. Blazers around. Sunshines and the Savage Beaters are out. Wow. The host of the World Cup is out. See what I have to do with all the time. It's just ridiculous at this point. I can watch him Netflix right now and not be through this pain of setting up every single marble. I'll subscribe if you hate watching this, like seriously. There you go. Wave 5 now. We're gonna rename it. Oh, someone got called out there. So they're on team primary. Switchblade, team primary, and the Red Wyatts are now out. Man, some of these teams. As we take a break, some of these teams, I'm surprised that they eliminated so early. Wow. 24 are left. Yeah, so from here on out, it's just gonna be like an elimination race style. The bottom 3. So now the bottom 3. This is the final round for the bottom 3. How many times have I said bottom 3 in that one sentence? Who are the last bottom 3? Now what? I don't know. I don't think we need a question about that, because slime balls and electronics looks like they are eliminated. And they are. But Chili Cat's Eyes will fortunately have to take the prey, because they are now eliminated. And now, how many marbles do we have left? As I'm counting. Oh, no way. I know. I forgot. We have 45, so the bottom 3 are still intact. Pinkies and Sugar Crush. And the Ball of Chaos around. Ball of Chaos, I knew they'll be eliminated at some point, because it's the Ball of Chaos. What do you get from them? They're not that special. It's literally the Ball of Chaos. What the hell do you get from them? Comment down below if you watch Jelly's Marble ones, because he's the one that inspired me to even have a YouTube channel in the first place. So, thanks to him. Who's next? I know. Glowing Glaciers or Greenies. So Greenies are out. Glowing Glaciers and Wolfpack are out too. I'm almost wasting all my minutes on the storage just for this one event. Now this is the final round for the bottom 3. Who's eliminated now? Hazelnuts, Thunderbolts, and Little Runners are going home. And there you go. Now that is the bottom 3. But now we are here to make statements. Here we go, guys. My favorite part out about all this now. We have 20 marbles on track. And now the last marble to be eliminated is out. Who's the last one eliminated? Ah, there you go. It's going to be the Windbreakers, who are going home in 20. No, Chocolatiers are the last ones eliminated. Who's next? Oh, Team Galactic. Oh, Team Plasma. Team Plasma will go 19th. Like, I know they've been having terrible seasons, but you can't muck that up. Who's next? Oh, Ghosts are in last place. Oh, good job, the challenge. No, Team Light. No, Ghosts will be eliminated. Even though those Dishwasher and the Rangers got caught up. They were the ones down to the track, so they'd be safe. 10 minutes in. Still 18 miles, still on track. Team Galactic is out. And 18th, 17th will go to who? Our Rangers. Fortunately, we'll take that 17th. No, Freshers. Man, I'm getting mixed up with my names right now. Okay, where are the Rangers? Don't know, don't care. And no Limers. The Limers are finally done. I'm sorry if it's taking for a while. You know what? Thunderbolts and Swordcush. No, Thunderbolts! We need to hurry up! Wow. Zeus. Just shocked everyone. How do you muck up a performance like that? Who knows? Oh, no, oh, wait, who got caught up there? Someone got caught up and that's the windbreakers now. And here we go. Oh, who's that? And that is Wojo Rollers, who I'm actually forgotten about in this tournament. Not because of their goodness, because I just forgot they were competing. And now the Raspberry Racers are going home. Here we go. Not many miles left until it's like middles. Oh, someone is short, of course. And that, oh, actually, well, Rangers just chucked on the Green Dragons, and the Green Dragons will be eliminated. So, Cell Gates now. And then, oh, there you go. Cell Gates are out. Who's next? Dishwashers are. They are eliminated. Who's eliminated now? Cannibals. And now, they're in the top 6. Who's eliminated? Green Skull will be safe. And who's that? Midnight Stars. Now, top 5. Here we go. Who's eliminated next? Who's eliminated? And the Big Green Squad. Who cannot stay away. Now, top 4. Triangulation. Looks like they'll be eliminated. No! They challenge. And there you go. Blue Fast 6 wheel. And now, here we go. Who's going to get it? Rangers looks like they will be eliminated. Yes, they will. They'll get the Bonzo. And who's going to get the gold? And the elimination way, the Extravaganza. And it will be the Gliding Glaciers. The Gliding Glaciers will win the elimination way, Extravaganza. That is a tournament you will not forget. Our next event will be the Steeplechase on the World Cup. We will see you for that. The Extravaganza is finished. We will see you all next